Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that stores your YouTube activity. Once signed in, click the library icon or the left menu and select History to open the watch log. Make sure you use the same device or browser where you normally watch, because history is tied to account and sometimes to device settings. If you don't see items yet, pause and confirm you're not in incognito or that pause history is off. Those stop recording what you watch. Once you're viewing history, use the search box to find videos by title, channel, or keyword. This narrows long lists quickly. Next, use filters to switch between watch history, search history, comments, and community interactions so you can focus on the type you need. To manage entries, click the three dots next to any video to remove it, or choose Clear All Watch History to wipe the list. If you want to stop future logging, pause Watch History. That prevents new entries from appearing. To finish, verify history settings. Open Settings History and Privacy and confirm watch and search history are enabled. Toggle as needed. If items are missing, check Google My Activity because some YouTube events sync there. If you need a deleted video back, you generally cannot restore from YouTube, so export activity regularly. If history still misbehaves, sign out and back in, clear browser cache or app data, update the app, and ensure you are not in incognito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.